Assalamualaikum, dear students. Let's move toward the next objective, that is adding or subtracting complex numbers. Recognize that addition and subtractions are really the same process. Subtraction is nothing more than adding a negative number. Therefore, addition and subtraction are treated as a version of the same process. To add two or more complex numbers, first just add the real portion of the numbers together. For example, to simplify the sum of under bracket a plus bi and c plus di. First identify that a and c are the real number portions and add them together symbolically. This will be under bracket a plus c. Using actual numbers instead of variables, consider the example of under bracket 3 plus 3i plus under bracket 5 minus 2i. The real portion of the first number is 3 and the real portion of the second complex number is 5. Add these together to get 3 plus 5 equal to 8. The real portion of the simplified complex number will be 8. In a separate operation, identify the imaginary portions of each complex number and add them together. For the algebraic example of under bracket a plus bi plus under bracket c plus di, the imaginary portions are b and d. Adding these together algebraically give the result of under bracket b plus d and I. Using the numerical example of under bracket 3 plus 3i plus under bracket 5 minus 2i, the imaginary portion of the two complex numbers are 3i and minus 2i. Adding these gives the result of 1i, which can also be written just as I. To find the final simplified version of the sum, put the real part and the imaginary part back together. The result is the simplified sum of the complex number. The sum of under bracket a plus bi and under bracket c plus di is written as under bracket a plus c plus under bracket b plus di. Applying the numerical example, the sum of 3 plus 3i under bracket plus under bracket 5 minus 2i is 8 plus I. I hope you understand today's lecture. Along with, I just want to say take care and Allah Hafiz.